Welcome to my CAD Tutor Revit Architecture Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to place the column in a proper manner. To place the column, go to the Architecture tab and select the Architecture column from the drop-down menu. This is the standard generic column. Click on Load Family to browse more options in. Open the folder column. Select one and press Open. To change the column size, select the column and click on Edit Type, and here you can change the depth and width of the column. As I am going to change the size into 450 by 450 millimeters. Press OK to close the window. Place the column just beside the location, and use the Align tool from Modify panel, as I am doing on the screen. And now unjoin both the wall upon the column line by dragging the endpoint. Then edit the visibility graphics and click on the column patterns. Browse the pattern concrete and set the desired color. Press OK to close the window. This is the easiest method to place the column in your project. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.